Hello and welcome back to the CultureAI platform. Today I'm going to take you through reports, which lives here in the left navigation. Clicking on this, you can see I've got a bunch of saved reports already, but the first time you come in here, you'll want to click on this plus icon to create a new report. So the first thing we're going to want to do is decide what kind of data we want to get into this report. To do this, click Select Event and then choose a risk. I'm going to start with password hygiene. Next, we need to choose a behavior that will become our main point of data for this chart. I'm going to use weak passwords. I'm going to change this view to across 1 year and then the interval to monthly. So we're now seeing data for everybody in an organization that is using weak passwords. But what if we don't want to see everybody in the organization? What if we just want to see a subset of users? Well, you can do this through filters using your metadata. For example, I could click geographic and then country, and then see data just for the United Kingdom or South Africa. So we have one line of our data plotted on this graph, which is great. But what if we wanted to set up a comparison? Well, there's multiple ways you could do this. First of all, you could create a comparison against another risk or behavior. So for example, we have using weak passwords. What if I want to go in and see a real world risky behavior against this? So I could click on email phishing and then clicking on non-simulated, so genuine phishing links. And here we have now a plot of 2 lines of data against each other where we can see people clicking phishing links and using weak passwords. Let's go back to the behavior for using weak passwords. So we could also break this down by the metadata that we talked about in filter. To do this, select breakdown and then choose the metadata you want to break down by. In this instance, department. If this chart is too overwhelming for you to take to your stakeholders or use internally, you can use your filter, or you can turn off certain elements using the table below. In addition to line charts, you also have bar charts. A nice instance for using this is when you are looking at those multiple behaviors. So let's click on Departments Not Reporting Emails, one I created earlier. In here you can see we've got 2 behaviors pitted against each other and then broken down by department. So in this bar chart view, which can be accessed here, we now have a breakdown of which departments are clicking simulated phishing links and not reporting simulated phishing emails. Any questions, let us know at success@culture.ai.